Hello again. Thanks for coming by the channel. So today, unboxing something new, something I've wanted to unbox for quite some time. This is an Apple Watch. Let's take a look inside and see what the Apple Watch, it's either called the Apple Watch 6 SE or just the Apple Watch SE, has to offer. I'm going to be comparing it to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 and also to probably a few other watches. Without further delay, let's rip it open. Here we go. And there we go. That's the unboxing for this Apple Watch SE Space Gray Aluminum 44mm. So yeah, I wanted to compare this to the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. This came out in 2019, and this came out, about a week ago. So as far as thickness, they're really close. I mean, you have the sensors on the bottom, but boy, you really can't beat that build of an Apple Watch. This is my first Apple Watch in, oh my gosh, 3 or 4 years. I don't know, I'm just not a big fan, but I was curious about the sleep tracking, and that's one of the main reasons I got it. And they have a great return policy and a great resale value. So if I decide to keep it for longer than 2 or 3 weeks, I can sell it online and not lose too much cash. So I'm actually filming on the 2020 iPhone SE. So I'm going to disconnect, switch phones, and we'll get this set up. Here we go. And there we go. It's all set up. And now I have to, figure out how to use it. Battery life, 82% right out of the box. That's impressive. As far as the build quality and the band, it's nice. It doesn't weigh heavy on your wrist. I like the 44 millimeter band. Sorry, the 44 millimeter watch face. And I put up an easy passcode since this is just a demo unit. But it's nice. It's an Apple Watch. Apple does really good on the refinement and just those little touches. So I'm going to use this and sleep with it. I'm really curious on the heart rate info and how it's going to compare with the Polar Grit X and how it's going to compare with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. So I'll do some sleep analysis videos on all of them. But yeah, this is going to be on my wrist for the next couple weeks and looking forward to learning about this new gadget by Apple. And it pairs nicely. The setup was really easy. Probably the easiest setup I've had with a smartwatch in the last 3 years, to be honest. So, boy, I really want you to wear it, or you have to just keep on putting it on. As far as the band, I like the silicone band. I wanted to try the new stretch band, and if I decide to keep this watch, I'll probably do that. Man, you sure do have to enter the password a lot. That's kind of annoying. Well, curious. And that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I can't believe I went for the rectangle, but just curious on how the sleep analysis is, and heart rate and some other information. I'll run with it, exercise with it, and let you know how it compares with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 and the Polar Grit X. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Give this a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to run farther to go further in life. That's all for today. See you again later this week. Goodbye.